Yashash bu san'atdir, kelajakni yarataylik. Chiqqandani to'g'ri yig'ib yangi hayot baxsh etaylik. We wake up with the rising sun, green world calling everyone, caring for each flower bright, striving for a world just right. Yashil kelajak tomon qayta ishlash san'at, har bir yurak, har bir qo'l bilan dunyoni qilamiz obod. Towards this greener future, recycling is art, with every heart and every land dunyoni qilamiz obod. Towards this greener future, recycling is art, with every heart and every hand we heal and build the land. Let rivers flow clear and pure, let the water green and bright. We promise to every child to protect nature, hold it tight, hold it tight. Har bir loyihada jon bor, kelajak yo'li nurli yo'l. Yashil Expo ilhom maskani, Eco Expo Central Aziya. Yashil kelajak tomon qayta ishlash san'at, har bir yurak, har bir qo'l bilan dunyoni qilamiz obod. Towards this greener future, recycling is art, with every heart and every land dunyoni qilamiz obod. Towards this greener future, recycling is art, with every heart and every hand we heal and build the land.
Olqishlar uchun tashakkur, qadrli do'stlar. Ana endi tabir joiz bo'lsa, bugungi tadbirimizning kulminatsion nuqtasiga yetib keldik. Chunki mana shunday anjumanlarimizda, bunday tadbirlarimizda muhim onlardan biri bu albatta ana shu ramziy lentani kesish marosimi sanaladi. Bolajonlarimiz qani sizlar? Marhamat bolajonlar. 4 unsurni o'zida mujassam etgan olov, havo, suv va yerning ramzlari.
Ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, we would like to draw your attention to the stage. This is more than a ceremonial act. This is a moment of reflection. The 4 ribbons held by children represent not just colors, but forces of nature that shape our world and our nature.
Qadrli do'stlar, yashil lenta bu yer, ona zamin, har bir daraxt, har bir giyoh, har bir ekin hayotning o'zidir. Bu lenta bizni tabiatga mehr bilan qarashga undaydi.
Green ribbon stands for earth, the home that feeds and holds us. Let this ribbon remind us that sustainability begins beneath our very feet.
Moviy rangdagi lenta suv, hayot manbai. U yo'q joyda hayot ham bo'lmaydi. Ko'zgu kabi tiniq daryolar, yomg'ir, muzliklar barchasi kelajagimizning qimmatli ne'mati.
Blue ribbon is for water. It connects continents, nourishes life and purifies the earth. A drop of clean water is a drop of hope.
Ko'k, suv. Davom etamiz. Sariq lenta bu quyosh va shamol nafasidir. U bizga toza energiya, yorug'lik va harakatni olib keladi. Bu lenta yangilanish va quvvat manbaidir.
Yellow represents the sun and wind, the element that carry power and change. They symbolize our commitment to renewable energy and a brighter tomorrow.
Va nihoyat qizil lenta bu olov, ya'ni inson tafakkurining harorati, texnologiyalarga intilish va izlanish ishtiyoqining timsolidir. U bizni harakatga undaydi, ilgarilashga chorlaydi.
Red ribbon stands for fire, the spark of innovation, the drive of human ambition, and the warmth of collective purpose. It fuels our progress.
Ana endi katta mamnuniyat ila rasmiylarimizni mana shu lentalarni kesish uchun sahnamizga chorlab qolamiz. Katta mamnuniyat ila Aziz Abduhakimov, Beybud Atamqulov, Bakit Asangul.
Ladies and gentlemen, we would like to invite our officials for the ribbons cutting ceremony. Mr. Nuri Jumashev, Mr. Won Doyon, Miss Sabine Makel.
Shuningdek, Rahimova Sitoraxon, Abdushukur Xudoyqulovich Hamzayev hamda Vajonis Raymond, martabali mehmon Latviyadan.
We would like to invite the honorable guest from Latvia, Mr. Vajonis Raymond, Director of BCM Rahimov Sitoraxon and Head of the Ecological Party of Uzbekistan, Abdushkur Hamzayev. So everyone is ready. 1, 2, 3, go!
Gulduros
Applaudismente.
alkışlar.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause. Eco Expo Central Asia 2025 is declared open.
Xonimlar va janoblar, qadrli mehmonlar, Eco Expo Central Asia 2025 rasmiy ravishda ochiq deb e'lon qilinadi.